Easy Controller has a great deal of capability and versatility in the print products that it can produce. The choice to print these various print products, such as 4x6, 8x10 greeting card prints, and others, are selected by use of the Easy Controller print channels. The Display Table button in the input display screen will display a list of available print channels. The various print channels may be color-coded to help select frequently used print channels. There are 300 available normal print channels. With optional software, there may also be 100 edit print channels, 100 package print channels, and 100 album print channels. In this demonstration, we will focus on normal print channels. In this example, if a 4x6 print channel is desired, print channel number 1 would be selected. If an 8x10 is desired, print channel number 8 would be selected. Once selected, there are a few more choices available to the operator. An index print can be added by activating the green Index Print button. Additionally, a CD or other media can be saved of the order by activating the green Output Media button. There is also a pull-down tab that the operator can use to change the type of output media service. The small yellow button to the right of the Display Table button can be used to reset the print channel to its defaults. Prints are now ready to be made. If a desired print channel does not exist, it can be created in the Print Channel Settings menu. To create a print channel, go to the Print Channel Settings display. To do this, select the F button from the main Q screen, then select Management Tool, then Print Channel. In this screen, you can select a print channel to modify, or you can create a completely new print channel. For this demonstration, we will create a print channel to produce 6x8 bordered prints. Select an empty channel such as number 118. To select this, you can either select the setting button or double-click on the channel number. Once in the channel, you can assign the channel's attributes. There are many choices that can be selected for this channel that we will describe individually. The first choice to make is the print channel color in the upper left-hand corner. This can be any color that can help in identifying the print channel. For this channel, we will select the color yellow, as we will be using 6-inch paper for this channel. Yellow is often used on paper guides and paper spindles to note 6-inch paper. You can choose any color or skip choosing a color for this channel. The next item to select is the print channel name. For this example, we will type in 6x8 W borders. After entering a channel name, the printer is selected using the Output Selection button. As Easy Controller can manage up to 8 printers, we must select the appropriate printer to produce the desired prints. If multiple printers are capable of printing the same output, it is best to select the printer group. If a specific printer is required, it can be selected in this function. For this example, we will select the group Green and Printer QSS Green. Each print channel may use up to 3 printers and papers. We will select all 3 the same for papers 1, 2, and 3. In this example, we will select the 6-inch or 152 millimeter paper. Note that depending on how Easy Controller was originally set up, the units of measure may be in inches or millimeters. Our next item to select is the input media type. The most common choice here is the HD, as it is easy to navigate to other locations from here. Film choices are also available if a film scanner is connected to Easy Controller. The input media may be changed on the fly by operator during production as needed. Just under the input media type selection is the image processing type selection. The choices are Standard, Standard Plus, SGS or Super Grain Suppression, High Definition, and High Definition Plus SGS Super Grain Suppression. With the speed of modern computers, choosing Standard is no longer needed to increase speed. For this example, we will choose High Definition. If a film scanner were attached, High Definition plus SGS would be appropriate. Note that the Read PDF checkbox is only available when the PDF print option is loaded. This is a specialty option that is not commonly used. Moving to the items on the right-hand side, the Output Print box is checked. We would uncheck this if the channel was to be used for just index prints or media saves. The print channel name input can now be entered. This name will be displayed under the prejudged display images during printing. Up to 5 characters may be used. For this example, we will enter 6x8 WB for all 3 names. The print channel has the capability of having 3 print sizes per print channel. This was originally to accommodate the 3 formats available for IX240 film. As this print channel will only be printing 6x8 prints, we will enter the same name for C, P, and H. In IX240 terms, this stood for Classic, Panorama, and High Definition or 4x7 format. The next items refer to the paper used in this print channel for C, P, and H prints. For example, we will use the same paper number 1 for C, P, and H. Easy Controller has a virtual paper width feature to enable operators to substitute for papers that may be unavailable. For example, if we would like to print a 5x7 on 6-inch paper, we could set the virtual paper width to 5-inch or 127 mm with an advance of 7-inch or 178 mm. A single white border would be on one side of the 6-inch paper to yield a 5x7 print. As our example will be using 6-inch paper, this function is not needed. The next item to set is the print advance length. Once again, we will set C, P, and H all to have an 8-inch or 203 mm advance. As we would like to have borders on this print, we will set the white border width to 4 mm. The white border color setting allows us to change the color of the border. This can come in handy if you're printing from slides and would like to have the black border look of a Type R print. We usually leave the image magnification at 100 to make sure that the image fully covers the print area. The exposure position correction is left unused except in very specific situations. The next item to select is whether the CVP backside printer is used for this print channel. If it is selected, the print content setting is used to select from a choice of 20 preset settings. For this example, we will choose item number 3. The print content settings are customized in operator selections. The sort function by each frame is only used if each image frame needs to be sorted individually. For example, if an order consists of 12 images and each image requires 25 copies, it may be useful to use this function. The front print function is typically left off. When enabled, it will print the date and/or time information from the camera on the front of the print in either the lower, center, left, or right side of the print. The media print paper fitting function offers the choice of cut, overall, real size, short side feed, and long side feed. Cut is the most common choice as this will fill the print with the image. A small portion of the image may be cut due to the aspect ratio of the image. Explanations of these items can be found in the Help menu. The priority is usually set to normal service. This can also be managed in the print queue should the priority need to be changed. The printing method for dry Minilab is usually set to standard. The image quality priority setting can improve the print quality. However, it doubles the printing time. This is usually only needed for images with a lot of fine detail or small text. Single line advance is rarely used and only available for printers capable of printing 2 lanes at a time. If the optional frame print creation software is loaded, a frame setting function is available. This function can be used to attach custom frames to prints, and it can also be used to print custom text on prints. More information on this function is available in the Help menu. The price setting button is located in the upper right-hand corner. This function is used to add pricing for the prints produced from this print channel. If desired, a pricing sheet can be printed with each order. The next tab over is the Image Quality Setting tab. In this display, customized DSA or digital scene adjustment may be added to the print channel. These include adjustments to items such as contrast, sharpness, and chroma. The balance memory function allows operators to add color or density preference changes to the individual print channel. The profile setting button allows for separate profiles for the C, P, and H print sizes. This is a new function, and more information is available in the Help menu, What's New section for version 6.20. The digital image autocorrection enables AccuSmart corrections for images. This can be set to correct either digital camera images or other, such as Photoshop image files. By default, the digital camera correction is on, but it is often turned off for professional studio photography. The auto red-eye correction may be enabled here if this option is installed. The color correction hold function is only used when printing from film. This is useful when printing several sequential images shot on the same background with the same lighting. This helps maintain the same color across this type of order. The next tab is the Index Print Setting tab. In this display, you can select to have an index print included with every order from this channel by selecting the Output Index Print box. An index print can also be added when starting an order. The size of the index print for each roll film, IX240 film, or media can be selected here. Also selected is the paper on which the index print will be produced. The Output Media tab can be checked on so that orders from this print channel are saved to media such as a CD or hard drive. This can also be added as an order is being created by the operator. The default service is also set here along with a choice to have an index print of the media printed. The default output media may also be changed during production when creating a new order. The print menu setting is generally only used in drugstore or mass merchandiser locations. It provides for a simplified input interface for inexperienced operators. Using the arrows in the upper right-hand corner, two more tabs are shown. The Pricing Sheet Setting tab is used to select if a pricing sheet will be printed with every order from the channel. Other items on this tab are for the pricing sheet format. More information on pricing sheets is available in the Help menu. The final tab is the Option tab. This function is for setting the duplex printing functions. Duplex printing is only available when printing on sheet paper. Also, some other functions are not available when creating a duplex print channel. Once all the print channel attributes are selected, press the OK button to save the print channel settings. After the channel is saved, the display will return to the print channel selection display. If duplicate print channel is needed, the copy and paste buttons at the bottom of the screen can be used to make a copy. You can modify the copy to use a different paper surface, etc. There are two other buttons on this display. The Export button is used to make a CSV file of the registered print channels for use with the Noritsu Consumer Terminal kiosk. The Auto Setting button is only used on new installations to quickly create common print channels based on the registered papers available. This function should not be used after the initial installation, as it will overwrite the previously registered print channels. After creating new print channels, it's always a good idea to make a backup of Easy Controller. We hope this demonstration is helpful in giving you a better understanding of the print channel settings. More detailed information is available in the Easy Controller Help menu.